coming to Manchester United, I had to say 1% chance, 99% fit. What I say? Aha, but baby, I'm common in Namuntia, and there were various stories in and around say Mbappe beat my Manchester United and I'm a PC doing common. My mentor is here for near Sheffield. And then one coming when you need to book near Rem into various transfers across Europe. Now, Yentinio maybe I say Ekaka. Now, Obi can't send me a woman who also be fast or Ubi to me. So, Atias, Yana, who said you visit your funnel. Abu, killing Mbappe, any Manchester United issue that Anna, the likes of El Pais, Mobile Bontain, a bear story say, Catafonu to meet to Manchester and I shake Jasim as sign and I to Manchester United. Opeso usually Kylian Mbappe as the face of the club, not the big team of Manchester United money be see kind. Now the TNA any the woman Abu Katana Kasana omo fili se omanya a failed project El Paris Saint-Germain.
Oh okay.
Omo fili se omanya a failed project. Dominant in the league go hold here. But omo had the level of investment for music as same omo dia shame El Paris Saint-Germain na. Enya hu scan e ho brabo no mo ye dey omunya. The amount of money Ubenya with the Premier League is not the same amount of money Ubenya with French League. It's in a Premier League, no Ubenya with Wolverhampton Wanderers, Wolves, Ebada Benz, Wolves bet me to player £50 million. First, Nanka Arsenal, Man United, Chelsea Moon team to player £50 million. But then Everton bet me to £70 million at top player. The bad intia because of Scar Ababe Remu to the Premier League. No matter the amount of money I spend with the Premier League, no Abu Dhabi TV revenues. Broadcasting right, Ubenya sponsors a lot of and new mama mama ska wo dia hyem nyina na wabo kado do na no Abu Dhabi hu sa betima yedai asaka one factor dia tosu mienu omotena se din na so mo hwa Champions League no ma pra PSG history of Champions League mu te say as mo try say they are going to make PSG this particular kind of club on betimi age an European trophy but be sin enyo man ko ye fa mo it be omo gina se ne de e me say gidie ne de nya bam intina last year ekwawie ye no hu ya Paris Saint-Germain de ba bonten say omo ton stakes e wo Paris Saint-Germain mu wa be nya bia na apese otobi bia na bia na beto ye hu say US based firms ya be mo bi peso mo to 15% e bu peso mo to 17% e bu peso mo to 20% e wo Paris Saint-Germain mu not necessarily because some person mo ton Paris Saint-Germain na but mo ton stakes ni bi say the control of the club no eni omo nko an nsem iti on beche na say we fa kakra na we fa kakra o Paris Saint-Germain na no na Manchester United beto ho no mo jitu mi say one Manchester United with a history in terms of Champions League now watimi agibi no when it comes to one of the biggest clubs in the English Premier League Manchester United wo ho omo the stadium omo bibia fa club no ho a so mo de omo be bomo bra club ne be bo omo askatafo ansana omo na askatafo na nkasa so atimi abo club no itomo de omo nyina investment akese ni nyina ba be yedai eba be share Manchester United mu enti do mani abre so person mo sign Manchester no awon so mo sign and mo to Manchester United as a football club now the enti mo person mo di Kylian Mbappe bani na na say now they believe that if they come to Manchester United they need to make a statement.
Oh okay.
If you want to make a statement they believe bringing Kylian Mbappe to Manchester United ebe mo obi ahun say na so be accepted for the fact say one in English Premier League ebe man the competitive edge say we are suffering in the league obi ahwe the intensity and you know woman obi a person we be no Manchester United say them no be city akọ na eno na Abu Dhabi otina si din na so the impact of this particular deal na and the man dodo na atena si hunu say there be say ankomodidie we akoso it also moba no mbe for Manchester United no moba Kylian Mbappe betima ba be piemu e ho aba be bo mo ama ne o makoye iti the whole Kylian Mbappe saga to Manchester United near surrounded around kata dream o mafade ato no so mbe so mo ye
Timba say
Qatar dream yes Qatar dream o mafade ato that is the plan of Qatar that is what they want to do in case they have to get Manchester United na no na man focus na omo nya na but you see this Qatar people no they always find their way around anything that they want omo find their way around anything that they want and we heard the way almost in Manchester United now. If they should get it, time and patience will review. Senyoma bi omo pebi omo saka omo sabe tima kan Mbappe ho a. Abu na no na se efiri on makwa kopiemu in various transfers ekoso na. Paris Saint-Germain and on the story say omo ne canly in. Abu nyoma ekoso kakra but there has been a verbal agreement between Paris Saint-Germain and Mallorca concerning a brand we. Na Abu Dhabi brand we na nkasa be piemu Paris. why in medicals and the obebon homodin and wakojina machines we fa no afa ne ahwe ne pomodin. It will be the signing of Paris Saint-Germain very soon. I will be see a kind ama Paris Saint-Germain in the shape of a Branty Feno air can in. Now quickly you be move to Theo and Theo Hernandez me Feno Lucas Hernandez. By me a crucial meeting and one adjubesi and no pay. Omo busa Branty and say there be only by me ni asembia. Pan or person free by me no go back to France. No could see a kind of Paris Saint-Germain. Minimum sem there that Paris Saint-Germain for na kebu na sum there. But what we know and per reportage, any new ma yes we are domusuko, every room akwa huni ye say. Abrante we nankasa no aye na adwin say by me na na bona na onye day. Ombo biem. He feels he have to be closer to the family or konifie na ejo akwa ko ben omo. No timi ni omo didi nkomo abra ono so bobo France. Ejine nti won waka chom say he won't play for Bayern Munich. Onye omo ni asem, omo nkontokwa bia. On the sra no sro mo say Jan opese we dey. Oja oko. That is the biggest issue for Bayern Munich so betimi survive. Na eno na papa bi e friend Giovanni Mana. Dusan Vlahovic. Eno na London. Giovanni Mana he who could Juventus on almost sporting director. No be PM England no. Only Chelsea penny for better see be din komo about Dusan Vlahovic. Now komo did na Chelsea did two players too. Loftus-Cheek and Pulisic. Loftus-Cheek ni Pulisic. Now mo catch Juventus say Adrien Rabiot go for free. It is a munya Loftus-Cheek or nobody replace Adrien Rabiot. And Angel Di Maria so free team him free. It is a munya na ono so betimi aba beboa aba be replace Angel Di Maria. It ikamu for Dusan Vlahovic maye. Mo de ne maya ye de Loftus-Cheek ene Pulisic be dey aba peso de amamo me de ska kakra bi aka ho na mo de ne kɔ na no komodi de ne kɔ so na Giovanni Mana ka chom se da bi omo ma ne mre onko no kɔdwen ho no hwa de because omo no kra no mo nya Chaloba kra omo ye dey omo pe de nti no omo pe Chaloba omo be so omo ton omo center back e fe ne Bremer for 80 million euros and also omo nya 60 million euros kwampo na 50 a omo betime jana manako or English Premier League clubs ni bia e bia ne jiwu ye pass omo betime assign e Abrante fe ne Bremer by Vlahovic there Chelsea ni omo di nkoma Chelsea offer a lot of things for a Juventus in the shape of Abrante fe no Loftus-Cheek any Pulisic so back replace Adrian Andrew Onana so came into discussions about Chelsea so ni Inter Milan e di nkoma na no na abudia bi Inter Milan for Chelsea mo for 40 bra
obviously just for
40 million pounds
for Onana
which is around 45 to 50 million euros for Onana.
Oda Chelsea keepers here wo mo nye bad bia na
for Onana Chelsea they say more ye boko yanim abu uhia goalkeepers are at least they can initiate attack be confident on the ball and no keeper confidence level and Onana confidence level
we ultimate pass le ade
abu when ultimate pass so Onana ultimate pass then the pakra o can asem he never watched Onana from even Ayas
as I want to your keepers no ye be for there's a pick
iti abu Chelsea looking forward so mo sabe timi aka no na Caicedo asem no abu Chelsea akọ Caicedo omo koye no Brighton abo omo bo say 70 million pounds na mo the 10 million add-ons account Chelsea so my ready so betwa Arsenal epeso mo wie Declan Rice deal no omo wie a na afi omo ba Caicedo so na no na Caicedo aka kire Chelsea for ne say anya se minya nkame ma wo ba me pe Champions League abo
and only the waka
and only asem o maka Chelsea for
they them United and Arsenal for no
the agent ne fe no Manuel Sierra
yes
Lomote agency na no mo
ya Lomote
ya Emmanuel Lomote
made for Dynamo
yes made for Dynamo
Lomote mamo efe okay
omo agency mu na Caicedo wo iti na Manuel Sierra ka cho mo say there be me can't read there chairman on also Champions League ni onyo obebo but Arsenal for yem se sure mo say abro mo press on me complete Declan Rice deal no around Manchester United the Chelsea won before said Abrante Feni Messi Mount 70 million pounds sa no mo da be fa Caicedo and Caicedo so man agent na tia say ba between Manchester United and Arsenal he will have to play at Old Trafford and play for Manchester United
Sara Caicedo akache
yes
say ba Manu ne
Arsenal he will have to play for Manchester United
sir
yes Abrante we na nkasa nyini na nkasa we Manchester United fan
okay
fitting club
okay
wonyini because of Antonio look at omo boy Ecuador national team no mo Antonio Valencia so di nyini SOMPA Sports most of them loved Manchester United but Manchester United baby omugina sesira abu dia biskano o ko fan away they say skano o ko fan away unless the takeover moves a little bit closer and Manchester United Declan Rice there
na agoya and United ever say kata for la for team na say basic global
Abu,
boy, is it Mukasa Biali and chair of Bolly and Job?
It is not only about Qatar, but Sir Jim Ratcliffe. So any owner bill from Manchester United will love to show supporters and they say, Wabak.
Oh, okay.
So any either Sir Jim Ratcliffe or even Qatar, or me no be obebiano, or mo first summer day. Abu, be rest assured, they will buy. Abu, Declan Rice, Arsenal yem shisho. They tell me yem shisho money as a personal terms in your problem. Money boy and I agree. But I say West Ham Begia to Mrs. Scan out there banner your penno. West Ham wants to invite competition. West Ham money is Arsenal Quaban. I say yeah for the what time 90 back right near the doing come on. West Ham air train and confront getting kitty super fresh ya but almost this guy day. Abba, they're not price net in your shooting. But agreement, unofficial agreement, and you're written on paper between Declan Rice and West Ham near say what the £100 million bar. BBA plus add-ons or full cash and anina. West Ham should take it and allow him to go. So Arsenal be do that particular pick, you know, another problem because as it stands, Arsenal is 70. Abu, Arsenal is 70. As it stands, Arsenal is 70. Diogo Costa, Porto Hieska, the release clause is 65 million euros. Porto Hieska by the close of June and by the end of June, they need to sell to recoup money. Manchester presented 50 million euros, they are Porto. When you for takeover, Manchester perform you 2 signings and San as a takeover. Aba and Diego Costa is one of them. 50 million euros as to say Porto Bejeno. Another issue. But Abu Kolomwani. By many Kenya bring some person for Kolomwani. Because Moon is a hurricane heading. Kylian Mbappe crowd and now crowd of Moka so they are even out. They will even try. It's another striker with 2 years being or more very close as someone's ability Makano. Brantin way. He does not want to renew with Eintracht Frankfurt. The amount of money are open a week with Eintracht Frankfurt no. Omunya ready so much bemano. Manchester United prepare official bid for Kolomwani. First bid the become about 70 million euros plus add-ons.
Why? I was all the David Raya to say. Zopi cookie, but what I want to be about.